Start. Hello everyone, my name is Shivajirao Deshmukh. Today's my topic is human anatomy and physiology. Today I am going to explain you about nervous system. So what is the nervous system? Nervous system is a complex network system of the nerves and the specialized cell that transmit signal between part of the bodies. It controls the coordination and the function and the enabling the sensory preparation of the motor preparation and the motor controls of our body and homeostasis. Further, the division of the nervous system. It is divided broad. It is a the nervous system is broadly divided into, first is the CNS, that is the central nervous system. Second, that is the PNS, peripheral nervous system. CNS is the including the brain and the spinal cord, and in the peripheral nervous system comprises nerves and outside the CNS and including the cranial nerves and the spinal nerves. PNS is a further divide into somatic nervous system, that is the SMS. It controls the voluntary movement. Second, autonomic nervous system, ANS, that regulates the involuntary functions. In ANS, further it is divided into the sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. In sympathetic nervous system, it prefers the body for fight and flight response. Parasympathetic nervous system involves the control, rest and digest function. Further components of the nervous system, first is the neurons, that is the nerve cells. Second is the glia cells. Third is the brain. Fourth is the spinal cord, and fifth is the nerves. Neurons, first the neurons, the functional unit of that transmit the electrical and the chemical signals. Second, that is the glial cells that provide the support and the protection and nourishment of the neurons. Third is the brain, the control center with different region of processing the information. Fourth is the spinal cord, connects the brain to the rest of the body and controls reflexes. And the last, that is the nerves, that builds of the auxins and they carry the impulses. Further, the function of the nervous system, first is the sensory function, second is the integrity function, and third is the motor function. Sensory function, that detects the stimuli from the environment. Second, integrity function, that process and interrupts the sensory data. Third is the motor function, that generate the response through the muscles and the glands. Further, the important structure and their role. First is the cerebellum, important structure and their roles of the brains. First is the cerebellum, second is the cerebrum, third is the hypothalamus, and fourth is the thalamus, and last, that is the brain stems. The nerves impulses transmission. What is the nerves impulses transmission? That is the neurons communicate via electrical signals, that is the action the potentials. Second, synthesize all signal transfer using the neurotransmitters like the dopamine, serotonin and the acetylcholine. Some disorders related to the nervous system, that is the stroke, Parkinson diseases, multiple sensories, Alzheimer diseases. I will explain one of them. Stroke, that is interrupt the blood flow of the brain, and the Parkinson, that lost the dopamine production producing to the neurons, and multiple sclerosis, that is the immune system that attack that attack the protective myelin of the nerves. The importance of the nervous system in our daily life, that is regulate the emotions and conjunctive abilities, control the movement, reflexes and the sensory perception, and maintain the body function like the heart rate and the digestion. Thank you.